Hey everyone, Clear the Landscape here. Exciting times, exciting times. I'm really excited about this project behind me. We have 6 acres that we're going to be pulling stumps, root raking, and doing some rough grading. We're also going to be widening a ditch and installing a simple retention pond, which I'm really excited about. A bunch of dirt work on this, getting a Hitachi 130 and a John Deere 450 with root rake. We also have the Mini X here, CX57, for some lighter work, and then the mulcher is coming here also with a bucket and the root rake on that also, and the mulching head. So really excited about doing all this dirt work. This should be a fun one. We're going to go ahead and take a look at this piece of property back here. It's very rutted up. It was clear cut back several months ago, and the ground has just been kind of left, and so all the stumps are there, and there's a lot of work ahead of us, but we got reinforcements coming in. We got Tree Bear, he's coming on Friday, and we got EOD is coming real soon. They're coming tomorrow, and we're gonna go ahead and hop on it. As you can see here, a little bit of a mess. For now, I'm just going to go ahead and kind of dig a little swath, a little trench, and connect it into this existing trench that is going here, perpendicular to where I am, and all the way back to the woods over there. There's going to be a little retention pond over there that we're going to be digging. And here's all the timber slash left over, a lot of it. And customer wants to bury it, so we're going to bury it in the back corner, and all the dirt that's going to be pulled out, it's going to be nice. We're going to use it to spread and smooth everything out once we get all these stumps out of the ground. Property goes all the way pretty much to that tree line over there, and we got our work cut out for us. This giant lake up here, it actually looked kind of small, but it was quite large. We dug a trench down here to drain this area, and we got it connected all the way down. Oh boy, really soft. My foot just sunk in there. We got it going all the way down to the corner, and then I've started to widen out that area, which will connect all the way down to the retention pond. So we at least don't just cover up this area, because this is going to be really hard to work with in here. Took a little bit longer to do that. It looks like the loggers, they just buried right in the trench. They just buried a whole lot of logs, so I had to pull all those out. But I think we've got something just real simple right now to get at least handle the water that's up in that area coming down this way, and we'll see you tomorrow. Got the Hitachi 130 dropped off siding. Looks like a great grandfather to the Case 57. Ooh, gonna have fun with this. Putting colors today. Thanks Hills Machinery for getting this Hitachi out here, and we're excited to see how this thing works, pulling out these stumps. It's a 30,000 pound machine. We elected to go with something that size just for economical play, and it's got the pusher bar, which is nice. So let's put that thing to work. We're excited to use it. This is a nice big playground, and yeah, we're just gonna go over to see what Alan's doing and see if we get these stumps out. And look at that thing. Woo! But you can see the land is very disheveled and uneven. We're in the hole now, just for scale, to kind of give you an idea how big this stump is. It is at least 6 feet tall. Woo! Let's see if this will actually lift it out. Just barely. It's as high as it'll lift it. I'm gonna scrape off some of this dirt first. We got tree bearing here. He's digging a trench, and we have put stumps and the material burying here for the customers. Okay, and just gonna keep us from burning, get this project moving along, and we're gonna use all this soil here. We're gonna smooth it out over. do you have to say about this, Alan?
It's a big boy. It's a big boy, but we're about to go work. Just ripping up tree stumps. I'm excited. Let the job get done. Wasn't getting out the stumps like I wanted to do, you know?
Dave over there digging the retention pond. We got Alan over here digging this, trying to get this stump out. Tree bear? We got 30 OD off to the right. Well, it wasn't even 1 hour and the John Deere's down for the count. Sprung a hydraulic leak. Looks like we got to replace one of the return line hoses on the arm. Almost halfway through. We do have the retention pond dug down there, and you know it's muddy, but we're going to be smoothing it out. Morning, everyone. We're having fun today. Let's take a look and see what's going on up here. So this is what we got done today. Big surprise, really satisfied. We got all of that material buried, and we got it buried right in through there, and packed it in real good. We packed it in real good. The excavator, that big one, was on top of it, and right now we just have a simple little drain going on here to help dissipate this water. We're gonna, of course, smooth out those piles, and this wet area in here we're gonna smooth out. And this is how far over we are pulling stumps for the most part. So we have this this grassy area to take care of, and where the mini excavator is over there to take care of, and then up here to take care of right here. But this is root raked and the stumps are out. And over here we zoom in this little area in the middle of the screen. This was a really wet area, but we smoothed it over with the excavator, and that's pretty much as good as it's going to get. And that's rough graded. That's what we would provide as for the rough grading. You could still, once it dries out, work it more. You could even run, a smaller root rake on a skid steer, and then, clean up more. But really, it just needs to be packed in with new soil, especially if you're going to be putting a house there. But stumps are gone. We're going to be doing that same technique throughout this whole area, smoothing this all over, and throughout the rest of the project. Hey, thanks again. Have a good weekend. All right, good morning, everyone. We were here early this morning. David's got pretty much the this other half going. He's got about 30 stumps out already this morning, and we're progressing towards the middle of the property, and we're gonna see if we can tie this up before the rain comes. Well, Jimmy, by golly, I think we sprung a leak. My goodness, this is pouring hydraulic fluid. We gotta get this thing off of this. Oh my goodness gracious. All right, we'll shut it down right here. Well, she's down for the count, boys. Unfortunately, the previous customer dropped a tree up on the boom. You can see they got it cargo strapped. Oh, it's just not fixed correctly, and now it has sprung a serious leak. I think I probably lost 2 gallons of hydraulic fluid in 1 minute. So we're gonna hop into the Hitachi. So here we go. This is the last day. We got some stumps to move up and bury, and some earth to smooth out. next time at Clear the Landscape.